Good morning, students. Today we are going to do MCQs of lines and angles. So, yesterday there was a question that I gave in the classroom. It was of 10 MCQ questions from this chapter, Lines and Angles. So, the first question is, a line joining two endpoints are called a line segment, array, parallel lines, intersecting lines. The correct answer is line segment. So whenever you get 2 points, whenever you get 2 points, endpoints, and a line is joined with these endpoints, then such a line is called a line segment. Then the next question, an acute angle is more than 90 degree, less than 90 degree, equals to 90 degree, or equals to 180 degree. An acute angle is always less than 90 degree. So our correct answer is option B. Then the third question says, a reflex angle is more than 90 degree, equals to 90 degree, more than 180 degree, equals to 180 degree. So reflex angle is always more than 180 degree. Suppose we have a angle AOB. This is the angle AOB. Then the reflex is this part, which is 360 minus angle AOB. So whenever it is 360 minus a given angle, it is always more than 180 degree. So reflex angle is more than 180 degree. A straight line is equals to 180 degree. It's very simple. A straight line is always equals to 180 degree. Two angles whose sum is equal to 180 degree is called, whenever we add two angles and the sum is 180 degree, it is always supplementary. Sup means more, so it's always supplementary. If the sum of the two angle is 90 degree, then it is always called complementary. Since 180 is more, so it is sup, and 90 degree is less, so it is complementary. Intersecting lines cut each other at 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, or no point. So suppose these are the two lines A, B, and C and D. They cut as many as 1 point. So the answer is 1 point. Two lines intersect at, two parallel lines intersect at how many points? 0, 1 point, 2 point, 3 point, or null points. Null point, that means no point. So we have AB and CD are two parallel lines. Do parallel lines ever meet? They never meet. So the answer is null. No point of intersection. So 0 is the point of intersection. So number D is null. If two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angles are, suppose two lines intersect, AB and CD intersect, then angle AOC is equals to angle BOD. They are always equal in nature. So the first option. Number 9, in the following figure, in the given figure, which of the following are the corresponding angle pair? So there are two lines given, and the red line is the transversal. The angle in the corner top right is P, Q, R, S, W, X, Y, Z. So here, which are the corresponding angle? P and Q is not a corresponding angle. PW is a corresponding angle. So our solution B is, option B is correct. Then P and X are not a corresponding angle, and P and Z is also not corresponding angle. So our only corresponding angle given is P and W. The last question, it is given AB and CD are parallel lines, EF is perpendicular to CD, and angle GED is equals to 135 as per the given question. Find the value of AGE. So GED is given as 135 degree. You have to find AGE. So AGE is alternate angle to GED. So these two are alternate angles. So angle GED is given as 135. So angle AGE will also become 135. So the correct option is 135. So today we have discussed 4 MCQ questions which are not in the NCERT book. Such MCQ questions can come for your exam. So this is our revision work for MCQ from the chapter 6, that is lines and angles. I hope this tutorial will helpful for you. Thank you.